Ellen, and today I'm going to teach you how to make snowball cookies. So first we start with our mixer, and we're going to put 1 cup of softened butter into our mixing bowl, and then we're going to cream that with a 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Great, so let's go ahead and put that on our mixer. And I usually put it on 2, but let's just see how it goes. It could have been a little, the butter could have been softened a little bit more if I had taken it out earlier. It's a very simple recipe with just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. So once we get this light and fluffy, it asks for it to be, we'll add our flour, which is 2 1/4 cups of flour. So I hope after you make your cookies that you can take a picture of it and post it on our Facebook page. That'd be great. Maybe comment and let us know what you think. That's pretty good. So we can see it's starting to really have a nice shape, blend nicely, starting to get fluffier. So we can, let's just put it on for a little bit longer. Okay, and it says to slowly add or gradually add our flour. So let's unlock it. Just put a, I don't know, maybe a 1/4, 3/4 cup in there. Mix a little bit of that. Once it starts to blend in there, we can add a little bit more. And make sure we're scraping the sides, so that way it all blends in nicely. There we go. The mixer's doing all the work. We're just measuring out ingredients and letting the mixer do its thing. Go ahead and scrape the sides. It's really starting to look nice. Starting to resemble almost like pastry dough. Little pebbles. We're going to put it in another bowl and let that chill for 1 to 2 hours. We'll see what it looks like when we take it out of the freezer. Okay, let's just go ahead and put that right in our bowl, and we'll refrigerate that for 1 to 2 hours, and then we'll be back to bake them. And we're back. We let our snowball dough chill for an hour or 2, and then we made little round balls with them just like this, about 1 inch. And now we preheated our oven at 350, and we're going to put them in for 15 minutes. So I have one on the 2nd shelf and one on the 4th shelf. We'll put the timer on for 15 minutes, and then we'll be back. Hi, and we're back. 15 minutes have passed, and it's time to pull our cookies out of the oven. So what we do from here is we can go ahead and put them right on our cookie rack. Oops. Take our time. And we can take some confection sugar and we just sprinkle right over top of them. And as they cool, once they cool, maybe 5-10 minutes, then we'll take some confection sugar into a plate and we'll roll the snowballs into it. So we'll be back in about 10 minutes to roll our snowballs. Hi, and we're back. We have our 10x sugar or confection and sugar, and we have our snowballs, and then we just pick them up once they're cool, maybe 10 minutes or so, and we just roll them in there. Then when I put it in my tin, I usually just sprinkle this right over top. So thank you so much for joining me. You can like our page. You can add your picture of your snowballs to our Facebook page. And if you're interested in other cooking segments, you can just look at our YouTube channel or our Facebook page. Thank you. Have a great day.